besties, it's your fave esthetician. Okay, in our first step in our skincare routine, we're going to be washing our hands. Always wash your hands, period. Don't skip it. So then we're going to go in with this Skin Fix Plus Acne Wash. This is very good. It helps treat and prevent breakouts from clearing away excess oil and dead skin cells.
Got a flight, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here. We fighting skin. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the sword.
So as an esthetician, we do double cleanse. So I did go in with my First Aid Beauty Gel Cleanser, which I feel like is really good on my skin because it is a soothing formula.
Since we do that, I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Membership, championship, we just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking it, look at the kid. Heard it, the fountain.
Okay, I'm done prepping my skin. So now we're going to go in and do some oral hygiene. Very self-explanatory. And we're going to get through this quickly. I know this is nasty. Especially if my mom sees this, my mom's gonna be so mad. But
they get in Canada, bring me this money like they run religion. This could be a man, they're sad, they vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched on hundreds, it's off the gig. They came out the drunk, they kidnapped a kid.
Okay, so this is the fun part, exfoliation. People need to exfoliate. Exfoliating is so good for the body. People do not understand how dirty they are until they exfoliate. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and is good for people who have hyperpigmentation like me.
By the bellows, bitch, on the crib. I look at the ocean, it's my 30 year. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter where I'm in. I have touch your ass, you don't think you Korean. You fucking me good, bitch.
So now we're just going to go in with our favorite body wash, which is Dove, and our feminine wash for the private areas.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, say.
It's so expensive. Yeah. My treacherous little twin.
So we're just going to jump right into our dermaplaning. So dermaplaning is removing those dead skin cells and essentially that vellus hair, the peach fuzz that you guys be seeing people scrape off their skin. So yeah, I usually have a dermaplaning device, but I need some more blades. So I do just go in with a razor very, very, very lightly. You need a light hand when you're doing this because you can end up scratching your face. And I usually do go in with face oil, but I didn't have any more, so I'm just going right in with that First Aid Beauty face wash.
And you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin. Yeah. For what they say, for what they, for what they say, 500 million.
So next is our Innisfree Volcanic Face Mask. So this is a clay face mask, which is really good for people who have oily skin. It absorbs all that excess oil, and on top of that, it is a cooling face mask. So this is really good for people after like you exfoliate. I really suggest people going in with a cooling face mask just to calm down that skin. Might be irritated or because exfoliating can be really, really shocking to the skin.
The face feel like KK, and I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I'll tell you same thing. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, they roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, brother. When I need a friend, only friend.
Who can I depend on like you knowing? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be wholesome. Whoa, I don't show ID at clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa, 21. Who would do the things we do?
Traditionally, you are supposed to go in with a toner, but I like the Rescue Spray from Tower 28. It just helps calm irritated, acne-prone skin. So I am gonna go in with my serum. This is the Green Machine by N Beauty. This is going to help you get rid of those dark marks or hyperpigmentation. It does has kojic acid in it as well. And generally you are supposed to go in with your serums before you go in with your moisturizers. Now I did go in with my moisturizer after this, but for some reason I don't have the clip, but it was by N Beauty and it was a brightening moisturizer. I'm gonna keep raving about this wig. I love this wig so much. It's so soft, and the only thing I've been using on it is water. You guys can check out my installation video. The card is gonna be right up top. I just feel like every girl needs a curly wig for the summertime. Like, it's very low maintenance. As you can see, all I have to do is just spray some water on there, braid it up, and then we're ready to go in the morning.
For each other, nigga, know. Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' necks like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me, or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me?
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. I would lay something down for you. I'll play a whole time for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Switching up my fingers for my dog.
We are going to be going in with that secret spray on deodorant. Y'all, I didn't put everybody onto some spray on deodorant, babe. Okay, my family and friends can't say I didn't put them on to nothing. So our next step is going to be that EOS Cashmere Vanilla Whip Body Oil, and I swear it smells so good. I did do a TikTok on me first opening it, so you guys go check that out. That will be down below in the description box. But thank you, besties, for hanging in here with me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.